Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I want to show you the second Halloween junk journal I have made. I've just finished it, so I want to have a quick flip through. This time I made a one signature journal with design paper as a cover. I've got the design paper from my daughter, and I made a little tag on it that says "Something wicked come this way," and it closes with a piece of elastic, and on that elastic, as you can see, there are two skulls. So let's have a look inside. So this you can remove, and here on the cover we have a tag, a pretty big tag, and beneath it you can put something behind. I've made this with design paper and coffee dyed paper, and it has lots of ephemera in it. I got a little bit carried away. Here is a little tag with a journaling space, and here I made a tag with inside also room for journaling. So that's the side pocket, and here graphic paper, and this is the design paper. I used that in my other album as well. Here a little tag that says scary, and on the back you can put something in. I can put some ephemera in it. I will do that later. So that's that. Here's room for journaling. I did leave some room for writing, but as you can see, not a whole lot. So here we have the witch's ball, and it flips open like this, and here another skull, and on the back you can journal. And as you can see here, a pretty tag as well. And in here I have a piece of ephemera, and you can journal on the back. So I will put that later because it was already very tricky in the first place. Here more design paper. Here I have a tag under your spell, and beneath it is music. It's the witch's dance. So that goes back in there. And here is a little bit sturdier paper, so you can put photos on if you like. Here I made a pocket, and behind it a tag with another piece of the skull. Did I make? Or didn't I make? No. Yes, I did. And I glued it all. Okay, this went a little bit wrong, but I've got it. Here you can put something in, and here you have room for writing. So that's a tag. And here, this is Halloween, also music paper. So, nothing damaged, I see. It's all okay. Then, here we have a tag that says beware. These tiny paper clips are very tricky, but I've got it. Beware. Well, you can also see it like this. So, and here's some dictionary paper. Here's room for writing. Here a pocket, and in it some ephemera. And on the back you can journal. Then here we have a pocket. You can slip something underneath. And here we have pricking of my thumbs. Something wicked this way comes. My English is improving. Here I've made an envelope, and you can put stuff in. I didn't put anything in because there's lots of ephemera already in the journal. Here another one. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers it's near Halloween. I used that in my other journal as well. Here a picture, and beneath it some ephemera, the witch's dance, and also on the back you can journal. So that goes in there. Here's room for writing, some design paper. Here we have a card, trick or treat. I will not remove it now. And here also room for journaling, so there is room for journaling. This one flips open like this, and you can journal inside and put a picture here if you like. And underneath I did put some tulle, or how you call that, tulle here, ephemera. It says night, and on the back you can journal. Graphic paper here, Happy Halloween. That comes from a very large card with all kinds of tags, and I also got that from my daughter to make this journal of. So that goes like that. Design paper. And here I made a little collage. It opens like this, and this is a pocket with 3 witches. And inside you can put something beneath here, and you can put other stuff in as well. And here a pocket with a kind of bingo card, and here a side pocket with some ephemera beneath it. The ephemera comes from the kit from TaylorMadeJournals. I also made my last Halloween album with it, and these are images I didn't use before. So it's a very large kit. You can check out her channel. She has beautiful stuff. Here we have a little tag, Happy Halloween, and on the other side a teeny picture of children dressed up for Halloween. So that goes there. More design paper and graphic paper. Here I made a little booklet because I loved this as a kind of, how do you call it, cover for a little book. So I put in some coffee dyed paper, and here I made a little side pocket to put something in. A little tag is in it, and another tag. And room for writing, so that goes in there. Oh dear, that's not what it's supposed to do. And here on the back cover I made a side pocket as well, or a pocket. So that's the journal. It's my second one. That's the last one I'm going to make this year. It's lots of fun to do, but 2 I think it's enough. It's time to move on for Christmas, I think. Well, I hope you like this journal. If you do, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we will see you on the next video. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.